Hello and welcome to my course, How to Set Up an Electronics Lab. This course is designed to help you set up your own electronics lab with the various tools and equipments that are required. If you are at the point of starting your electronics journey, it's hard to tell what tools and equipments are essential to begin working with electronics. Even if you have some idea, there still exist many variants of the same tool with different features and in different price ranges. In this course, I will help you choose the right tools and equipments in all of the price ranges and also suggest the ones which provides the best value for money. I will demonstrate various tools and equipments in each lecture and help you gain a working understanding of what these tools and equipments are designed for and how to use them to make your circuits. Feel free to try out the previews. Hopefully you will decide to join me in this course. So see you there and I wish you happy learning.